ties us back together in the air, in your eyes. I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. FF. Hello, Kwan! Hold on, baby. I cannot hear you. Hi,
Hello.
baby Kwan. How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm good.
Good evening. Did you eat your dinner?
Yes. I eat rice and chicken.
Wow, is that your mom? Good evening, mommy. Okay, so what did you do today before we go to our lesson? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Can you tell me what did you do today?
Swimming,
Oh, really? You go swimming and then what else?
rice bike,
Oh, hold on, baby. Wow. Hold on, Unit 2. So we will be having our new lesson today. So can you guess what is our lesson today?
uh, okay.
Hold on, baby.
I don't know.
Hold on. Hold on, baby. I'll give you a song, and then
Okay.
I will give you one song, baby, and you're going to identify the lesson that we're going to have today. Okay?
Yes.
Hold on, baby. Okay, let me share my screen. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. I am excited on our lesson today. So let me play you one song before we go to our lesson. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Emotion.
Can you hear it, baby?
Want to
Yes.
be a tiger, growl out loud. Grr, grr. If you want to be a tiger, growl out loud. Grr, grr. If you want to be a tiger, really want to be a tiger. If you want to be a tiger, growl out loud. Grr, grr. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be an elephant, really want to be an elephant. If you want to be an elephant, swing your trunk. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to be a crocodile, really want to be a crocodile. If you want to be a crocodile, go snap, snap. If you want to be a monkey, jump up high. If you want to be a monkey, jump up high. If you want to a monkey. If you want to be a monkey, jump up high. If you want to be a giraffe, stretch up tall. If you want to be a giraffe, stretch up tall. If you want to be a giraffe, really want to be a giraffe. If you want to be a giraffe, stretch up tall. If you want to be a hippo, stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet.
If you want to be a hippo, stomp your feet. If you want to be a hippo, really want to be a hippo. If you want to be a hippo, stomp your feet.
Okay, so can you tell me what is our lesson for today? What do you think, baby?
Yes, I can.
It's about,
What?
what do you think is our lesson for today?
Animals.
Yay! It's obvious. It's all about animals. So, Kwan, are you ready?
Yes.
Hold on, let me share my screen. Hold on, baby. Give me 1 minute because I don't have any mouse today because my son get the mouse of my laptop. That's why it's very hard for me to move the cursor of the computer. Okay, let me share. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, let's start our lesson.
Where to punch the glass.
Okay, hold on, baby.
The body to my phone.
Okay, welcome to our class, baby. So, Unit 2, animals, animals. So, baby, what can you see in the picture?
I see animals.
What
Hippo,
animals can you see?
giraffe, zebra, lion, hippo, fox, bird,
Okay, giraffe, zebra. So, different
lion,
kinds of animals. Okay, now let's go, let's go. Okay, Kwan, can you tell me what animal can you see in the first picture?
I see bat,
Bat,
rabbit,
rabbit,
kangaroo,
kangaroo, and
bee,
is that a bee? Fly.
fly,
Okay, maybe one more try. Bat, oops, rabbit, kangaroo, and fly. Okay, how about this, baby? What animal are these? What animals are these?
I see panda,
Oops,
blue,
the first picture, baby. What do you call that?
a panda,
The first picture?
a fish,
A dolphin,
John, panda,
panda,
blue whale,
whale, and
bird,
bird. Okay, again.
fish,
Dolphin,
dolphin, panda, blue whale, bird,
parrot,
Parrot.
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 Next. Hey! What's that?
I see shark.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Okay, that's a shark. Next.
A goat.
Is that a goat?
Yes.
Scary goat.
A lizard.
A lizard.
A lion.
Okay, baby. What animals do you like?
I like fish and a bird.
How about a parrot? You like a parrot?
Yes, I like parrot.
How about what animals you don't like?
I don't like shark,
Shark, me too.
monkey,
Why you don't like monkey? It's cute.
lion, and tiger.
I don't like shark. I don't like.
I don't like snake.
I don't like it too. Okay, very good, baby. Now, are you ready to the next page?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, can you try? Baby, can you get a piece of paper, baby? One. Can you get a piece of paper, baby?
I see bear,
Baby, baby, hold on. Okay, number 1 is, what do you call that?
bear,
Bear. Number 2,
bat,
number 3,
carrot, rabbit,
that carrot. Number 4.
kangaroo,
Okay, number 5,
lion,
number 6,
stonefish,
dolphin,
starfish,
dolphin.
stonefish,
Number 7,
panda,
number 8,
whale,
whale. Number 9,
a car, a bird, a
parrot, baby.
carrot, rat,
Number 10,
shark,
number 11,
lion,
number 12,
a lizard.
a lizard. Very good. Woohoo! Perfect. Okay, next. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is fish, a bird,
Fish or, okay, you mentioned it already. Are you afraid of any animals?
no,
You're not afraid with bear? Me, I'm afraid with bear.
yes,
And also lion, shark. Which animals are beautiful in the picture, baby?
a panda,
Yes, what else?
a rabbit,
Yes,
stonefish,
dolphin. Okay. How about
Bird.
ugly? What animal is ugly?
a bear, shark, a lion,
Funny.
fly,
Funny fly. What else?
yes,
Okay. Dangerous.
bat,
Dangerous, baby.
maybe,
What animal is dangerous?
A fly.
A lion.
A lion.
But
A
shark.
shark.
Yes. Okay. Baby, can you read them all again?
There are bats, rabbit, kangaroo, fly, dogfish, and the parrot, shark, lion, lizard.
Okay, very good. Okay, baby. Oh, you're going to write all the animals as quickly as possible in alphabetical order. What do you mean by that? You're going to write the animals from letter A to Z in alphabetical arrange. Hold on. Let's not. Okay, can you read it, baby?
Bat, bird, johnfish, fly, kangaroo, lion, lizard, panda, parrot, rabbit, shark, whale.
Okay. Or order the animals from biggest to smallest. Baby, this is your pattern. The bat, bear. What is the biggest animal?
Lion,
Are you sure?
shark,
Next to the biggest.
blue whale, johnfish, and bear.
Okay, these are the whale is the biggest.
Bear, panda, kangaroo, lion, lizard, rabbit, and
One by one, baby. Whale, bear,
bear, panda, kangaroo,
dolphin.
lion, shark, rabbit, parrot, cat, lizard, fly.
Okay. Which parts of a crocodile can you see in picture 1 to 4? Picture 1, what is that? Parts of
Eyes,
parts of the body of the crocodile. What is that?
crocodile,
Or what part of the body?
nose,
Or what is that? What do you call that?
nose. I see it's the one
It's all face, baby.
eyes.
Eyes. Number 2 picture, baby.
Number 2 is mouth.
Mouth. Number 3.
Is foot, foot,
Foot or leg foot. Number 4.
a tail,
A tail.
tail.
And lastly,
Yeah, the crocodile is in the egg.
baby crocodile. Okay, let's try to read them all, baby. Its eyes, its mouth, its leg, foot, its tail,
Foot,
and its baby.
tail. Maybe.
Baby. Very good. Okay. Is a croc? You can answer yes or no, baby. Is a crocodile no, you're going to answer it. Is a crocodile's mouth big or small?
The mouth is big,
Very good. Is a crocodile's tail long or short?
long,
Are a crocodile legs ugly or beautiful?
beautiful.
The legs. Do you know that crocodiles come from eggs?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Read the 7 questions Then decide if the answers are yes or no. Write your answers in pencil so they are wrong. You can easily correct them. So baby, can you get a piece of paper? Get a piece of paper, baby.
Yes.
Get a piece of paper, baby. You're going to answer it yes or no.
I don't. I don't have.
A paper?
I don't have.
Okay, now let's try to answer it. Do crocodiles only live in rivers? Yes or no, baby?
No.
Do crocodiles open their eyes when they are swimming?
No.
Can crocodiles swim and walk?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Do crocodiles have lots of teeth?
Yes.
Do crocodiles eat birds?
No.
Is it safe to go swimming with a crocodile?
No.
Is a baby crocodile inside its egg for 20 weeks?
Yes.
Let's find out. Are you ready? Okay. How much do you know about crocodiles? Okay, baby. Can you read it? Crocodiles.
Swim.
Can you read it, baby? Crocodiles.
Crocodile eat fish, bird, animal, and sometimes they eat people too. They do not eat flesh or plants. A crocodile also has a long body and mouth and a long tail. A crocodile has short legs, but be can be because because they can swimming and they can run too. A mother crocodile sits on her egg for about 12 weeks. Then the eggs open. The mother throws her baby crocodile into the river. You can find crocodile in many parts of the world. Some crocodiles only live on river, but some crocodiles can live in the sea too. When when crocodiles swimming, they can see their mouths are under the water, but their eyes are above the water. A crocodile's eyes are on the top of its head. Look inside a crocodile's mouth and you can find lots of teeth. They can have between 16 and 18 tails. People have about 30 tails. Crocodiles are dangerous animals. You should never go near them.
Okay, let me reread it. Okay, listen carefully, baby. Crocodiles eat fish, birds, animals, and sometimes they eat people too. They do not eat grass or plants. A crocodile has a long body and mouth and a long tail. A crocodile has short legs, but be careful because they can swim and they can run too. A mother crocodile sits on her eggs for about 12 weeks. Then the eggs open. The mother carries her baby crocodiles into the river. You can find crocodiles in many parts of the world. Some crocodiles only live in rivers, but some crocodiles can live in the sea too. When crocodiles swim, they can see their mouths are under the water, but their eyes are above the water. A crocodile's eyes are on the top of its head. Look inside a crocodile's mouth and you can find a lot of teeth. They can have between 60 and 80 teeth. People have about 30 teeth. Crocodiles are dangerous animals. You should never go near them. Okay, let's answer the question. Okay. So the answer in number 1 is no. Very good. Say it, baby. No.
Yes. Yes. No. Unless no. No. And no.
Very good.
Check now.
Like as a verb meaning enjoy. I like swimming. I enjoy swimming. So they are the same. Okay, one. We use like. Can you read it, baby?
We us like to talk about things or people we in the are self-positive about.
We use like to talk about things or people which we enjoy or feel positive about. Like plus verb ing.
Like we.
For example, can you read it, baby? I like swimming
I like swimming.
before breakfast.
I like swimming about places. But
Before, baby, I like swimming before breakfast.
but flying for the night.
But likes flying through a night. My goodness.
What?
Okay. Okay. Number 1. Look, there's an example. Can you read it?
Yes.
It has. Baby, number 1.
Number 1 is cat. Number
you,
2 is
Baby, can you read it? I don't like you to answer the answer. Just read it and then let's try to answer it.
yes.
Number 1. It has a tail.
And it's like drinking. Mouse is so like cat.
Okay. Number 2. It's a cat. That's correct. Number 2.
Pronoun. Third.
Baby, you read it, not just answering it.
As I was hungry and it has a lot bird. So like both.
It's always hungry. And it has a little beard. It sounds like boat. What animal is that?
It's bird.
Goat. Let's try it. Yes, it's goat. Next. Number 3. Can you read it?
House and it is this is so like house. Mouse.
Okay. Next.
It
Number 4.
is green and chim very well. It shows that dog
It's
is frog
okay. Next.
is its last a show like now. Is cow
Okay, number 6. It sings.
is sing and something live in cat. It show like a fish, a oh a bird.
Maybe we are number 6. It sings and sometimes lives in a cage. It sounds like word. Bird. Next, number 7.
It live in the sea. Is very up. It is show like pearl. Is snake up.
Shark.
Is
Shark.
shark.
Next,
It has no legs. Is bird and nose is like a sound like cake. Is
what's that? What animal is that?
snake
Snake. Yes. Number 9.
is really big and swimming in the sea. So that town. A whale, blue whale
Okay, number 10.
is fast, not so like pat. Is
It flies
bat
at night. Yes, it's bat. Very good, baby. Good job. Okay, now. Okay, look at the picture. We're going to listen. Okay, listen first. Okay.
okay.
2E. Animals, animals. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma. I'm at the zoo.
Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo?
I'm at World Zoo. You spell that WORLD.
World Zoo. It's great there.
I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
Who are you with?
I'm here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone.
Oh,
2,
where are you now?
We're by the cafe.
What can you see?
I'm looking at 5 monkeys. They've got really funny faces.
5 monkeys. I love monkeys.
Me too.
3,
Are monkeys your favourite animals?
No, they aren't.
So which animals do you like best?
The dolphins. They're very good at jumping.
Yes, dolphins can swim very well too.
I know, Grandma.
4,
You can ride some animals here.
Which animals?
You can ride a horse. It's really big.
You can ride a horse there?
Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5,
There's a shop here too.
What can you buy there?
Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book.
Good idea.
Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot!
What?
Sorry, Grandma! I've got to go now. Bye!
Okay, baby, can you tell me what is the name of the zoo?
A zoo name. First,
Or what's the name of the zoo?
a zoo's name Hawk.
World Zoo, baby. Okay, let's try it to listen again, okay?
2E. Animals, animals. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Grandma. I'm at the zoo.
Hello, Peter. Wow! Which zoo?
I'm at World Zoo. You spell that W-O-R-L-D.
World Zoo. It's great there.
I know.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
Who are you with?
I'm here with Mum.
So you're there with Mum. That's nice.
Yes, I'm talking to you on her phone.
Oh,
2,
where are you now?
We're by the cafe.
What can you see?
I'm looking at 5 monkeys. They've got really funny faces.
5 monkeys. I love monkeys.
Me too.
3,
Are monkeys your favourite animals?
No, they aren't.
So which animals do you like best?
The dolphins. They're very good at jumping.
Yes, dolphins can swim very well too.
I know, Grandma.
4,
You can ride some animals here.
Which animals?
You can ride a horse. It's really big.
You can ride a horse there?
Yes, Grandma. I'm not frightened of that.
5,
There's a shop here too.
What can you buy there?
Well, I want to buy a book. I'd like a new book.
Good idea.
Oh, Grandma! There's a penguin! It's standing by my foot!
What?
Sorry, Grandma. I've got to go now. Bye!
Okay, baby, what is the name of the zoo? It's World Zoo. Who is with Peter?
Mom,
Mom, yes. And what can we see?
sheep, five,
5 monkeys. What is his favorite animals?
dolphin,
Okay. He can ride on
a horse,
and he wants to buy a
book,
yay! Very good. A book. Next. Okay. Okay. It sounds like word, hair, coat. Cat sounds like what animal that cat sounds like?
dog,
Mat. Mat. Cat. Okay. So baby, this will be your homework. Okay. Okay, let me
only looking only.
Hold on, baby.
What's your favorite animal? If you could pick, what can
Maybe I will put it in your Zalo, okay? Your homework, okay?
okay?
Hold on. And tomorrow, on Wednesday, you're going to give it to me, the answer, okay?
Yes.
Hold on.
What?
Okay, so do you have any questions, baby? You can answer that. You can give the answer on Wednesday, okay?
Yes.
Hold on, we're not yet done. Okay, that's your homework. Okay, let's try to play this one.
Bye.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, baby, let's try to see each other again on Wednesday, baby, okay? Okay, Kwan? Hello?
About animals.
Okay, see you again on Wednesday, baby. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.